Hi children, welcome you all back to the YouTube channel of Let's Learn Commerce with Minoshi Nanakara. ඔගලන් තාම subscribe කරලා නැත්නම් channel එක Let's Learn Commerce with Minoshi Nanakara subscribe කරන්න කියලා request කරනවා. Right. දැන් අද මම කතා කරන්න හදන්නේ economics වලම තවත් concept එකක්. ඒ තමයි supply. Right. එතකොට දැන් අද අපි බලමු දැන් කලින් demand කතා කරා වගේම මොකක්ද මේ supply කියන්නේ and supply law එක මොකක්ද? ඒ වගේම අපි ඉතින් පස්සේ බලනවා supply factors මොනවාද? නැත්නම් determinants of the supply කියන්නේ මොනවාද කියලා. Right. Okay. So we'll start with the supply. The supply එක define කරනකොටත් right demand එක වගේම අපි supply එක define කරනකොටත් ඒ කලින් කියපු key terms අපේ ඔළුවේ තියෙන්න ඕනේ. right? ඒ කියන්නේ අපි මෙතනදිත් කතා කරන්නේ first අපි දැනගන්න ඕනේ supply කියන්නේ represent කරන්නේ supply කියන එක supplier or the producer, mainly the person who is selling the item. Okay, because demand it represent the customer, now supply represent by the supplier, producer or a seller, we'll say. Right? Okay. So then here also, when we are defining the supply, we need to keep that two important things in our mind. That is that willingness and the ability. Right? Okay. Because as I explained you in our previous videos, right? Same as demand, to create an effective supply, there should be a willingness as well as an ability to supply some goods or service. Right? ඒ කියන්නේ මේ දෙකෙන් එකක් හරි නැත්නම් අපි ඒක effective supply එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ නැහැ. So willingness also need to be there and ability also need to be there. And also we always talk about the supply also under a given price and in a specific or a given time period. Okay, right. If I define this, what is supply? Supply is the quantity of goods or services, right? A supplier is willing or ability to produce or supply within a given price or under a given price within a specific time period. Okay, now we'll see what is this law of supply means. Right, now the law of supply. Right, what it says, law of supply, talk about or it shows the positive relationship, positive relationship between the price and the quantity supply. Okay, now under the demand law we discuss about the negative or the inverse relationship. Here we talk about that positive relationship between the price and the quantity supply. That means what? When there is a high price, when the price is increased, suppliers, they are willing to supply or they are supplying high quantities. Because why? Then it is profitable for them. Right? When a market price for some good or service is increasing, like they are happy and they are happily producing more. So, the law of supply shows that positive relationship between the price and quantity supply. Right? That I explain about when there's a price increase, the quantity supply increase. This happens vice versa as well. That means you know that when the price is decreasing, price ekadu enakota, the quantity supply, the quantity they are supplying, they are going to reduce. So, this shows in this law of supply. Right? Okay. So, now you know what is this supply and what is this law of supply. Right? Now, when we are going to represent this in a graph. Right? So, that's called a demand diagram. Now, we'll see how we can represent that in this demand diagram. Right? Now, in here, again, as the normal way, right? Always this y-axis is our price and x-axis is our quantity supply here. In the previous case, it's quantity demand. This case, it's quantity supply. Right? Okay. So, in here, now you know that there's a positive relationship between the price and the quantity. No? So, your diagram, when you're drawing it, right, your supply curve goes like this, right? Why? Because this has a upward slope, not like the demand curve. This supply curve එකට තියෙන upward slope එකක්. මොකද අපි මෙතන පෙන්නන්නේ. Now here if I show it like under the different prices and the quantities. Now when your price is increasing like this, your quantity also increasing. If your price is decreasing like this, your quantity decreasing like this. So that positive relationship shows in this supply diagram, right? Hope you understood about what is supply, right? And what is the law of supply and how we are going to like represent it by the supply diagram. Okay, thank you.